This is Dave Pennington. Dave is a good man, hardworking, loves his family, loves the Lord. And 3 months ago, Dave bought a boat. This is how much debt the Pennington family is now carrying. Dave would like you to know the boat was on sale. It was not a good sale. Before we get into the numbers, and we will absolutely get into the numbers, let's meet everyone. Dave Pennington, 42, works in logistics, has a plan, he just hasn't told anyone what it is yet.
I have a plan, sort of.
Linda Pennington, 40, handles the actual finances, has been right about every major financial decision in this marriage.
Every single one.
That's not...
Dave.
Yeah, okay.
Kyle, 14, has opinions about cryptocurrency. Nobody asked.
Bitcoin is literally just...
Nobody asked, Kyle.
Fine.
And this is Gracie, 8 years old, and somehow, inexplicably, the wisest person in the family.
Daddy, if we're in debt, does that mean God is mad at us?
We're going to come back to that one. It's a good question. And me, I'm the narrator, and I know everything about this family's story, and Dave did not read the fine print. All right, real numbers. Because that's what we do here. That is $47,000. That is also, for reference, about $39,000 more than Dave told Linda the boat cost.
He said it was $8,000.
It was. The slip fees and the motor needed.
Dave.
We're working through it in counseling.
They are, in fact, working through it, which is actually great. We love that for them. So what's the plan?
Great question. I'm glad you asked. I've been doing a lot of reading,
He watched 4 YouTube videos.
research, and I think we should follow the debt snowball method. You pay minimums on everything, throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next one. We knock out the medical bills first, $2,800. Then credit card 2, then 1, then the cars, then the boat.
What about Bitcoin?
Nobody asked, Kyle.
Fine.
And here is where we land on the scripture for this episode. Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors they succeed. Proverbs 15:22. Dave had a plan. He just didn't run it by his counsel, which in this house is Linda, before executing said plan on a boat-shaped impulse purchase.
I own that.
Thank you, Dave.
We should pray about it.
And Gracie, once again, cut straight to the center of things. Here's what the Penningtons are committing to. They're going to document the whole thing. The payments, the setbacks, the moments where Dave almost buys something else he shouldn't, and the moments where this family actually gets it right. Real numbers, real faith, no hiding.
We're going to be okay.
Yeah, we are.
Can I have a lemonade stand to help?
Gracie will in fact have a lemonade stand, and it will go better than expected. But that's episode 5. Don't skip ahead.
If we use Bitcoin, we could...
Nobody asked, Kyle.
I'll be in my room.
Next week, the Penningtons sit down to do their first real family budget. Linda has a spreadsheet. Dave has opinions about the spreadsheet. Gracie will cry, not because she's sad, but because she's Gracie. And they're going to try Dave Ramsey's zero-based budgeting method for the very first time. If you are also broke, also faithful, or also married to someone who bought a boat, subscribe. We're in this together.
Like and subscribe for more content. New episodes every week.